Huh? Arthur?
Don't talk to me!
There. I don't see any octopuses.
Daddy, help! Let me go!
All right. You can just sit here with us.
On your mark, Gaby. Everyone, stand back! I know what she wants. Stand back! Maybe you should go get your mommy. No, I've watched Mommy. I know exactly what to do. Maybe now you should get your mommy. Then she'd think I'm not a baby expert. Everyone, calm down. I know exactly what to do. Arthur, hold her while I get a clean diaper.
Come on, Kate. Oh, googity woogity woogity woogity.
I wonder what she's trying to tell us.
What's wrong, Kate? You want your pacifier?
No, Dad, she wants her bunny.
I know what she wants. A bite of pizza. See?
Buster, don't make that noise. It's bothering Kate.
Well, it's not a diaper-related problem. What is it, Kate?
Oh, she wants Arthur to push her.
Mom, I'm old enough to hold the leash, right?
Arthur, let DW take Pal and you push Kate, please.
She must be hungry. Why don't we have lunch?
Maybe she's sitting on a bee. If I was sitting on a bee, I'd cry.
Katie, what's wrong?
Arthur, come on. We've got to get Kate home. She might be sick.
But Dad, we haven't found Pal. We can't go now.
Let's take care of Kate. Then Dad can drive you back to search some more.
It'll give us time to make some lost dog signs, too.
This is all your fault, DW. I knew you couldn't hold on to the leash.
I'll help find him.
We will? There's Arthur!
Arthur, come on. We've got to get Kate home. She might be sick.
But Dad, we haven't found Pal. We can't go now.
Let's take care of Kate. Then Dad can drive you back to search some more.
It'll give us time to make some lost dog signs, too.
This is all your fault, DW. I knew you couldn't hold on to the leash. Pal! Pal! You found me! Pal? He ran away from me. What did I do wrong? He hates me. I told you I didn't let him go. He was escaping from you.
DW?
Well, look who's here. Did the dog catcher bring you home? Pal!
To stop crying.
I don't know.
DW?
Uh-oh. Oh, no! The ant farm! No, Kate! Don't!
Oh, Arthur, don't listen to them. It'll be just like taking care of DW and Kate.
I'm hungry, too. 40. But I want to go to the museum too.
Could you take TW today? Kate's sick and I've got to get this account finished by tonight.
Maybe we should go.
But it isn't over yet. Look at the Monkey King, Maylin. Look. See? Monkey. Like this.
She's not hungry. I've changed her diaper. Maybe her ears hurt.
Here, let me try for a while.
I'm sorry, but could you please do something about your baby?
Hey, Maylin, look at me.
Thanks.
Everybody freeze!
I am not.
What's going on, you two?
Arthur's ruining the game. He's not playing right. I am so.
Arthur the loser.